Man, please say this. Oh, it's working now. Yo, I just had like for the past 10 minutes, I just had an awful time with the YouTube dashboard again. Like, look, what's this? What's this? In like the entirety of YouTube up until this point, the URL, the stream key has been right here where my cursor is, on the left side of the dashboard. And they moved it and they didn't tell me where. And now I'm watching this Indian guy's tutorial and it's very helpful, but so he made this tutorial like 10 months ago, right? This is 10 months ago, April. And the stream key is seen on the bottom left. So they made an update and it completely moved it, and I need to click this button up here, copy. And I didn't know that. I just found out 30 seconds ago. Oh, I was getting so mad. Because I just realized, right? I was talking to myself for like 3 minutes. I started streaming 10 minutes ago. I was talking to myself for a minute. Realized, wait, where's the stream? It's not there. It doesn't exist on YouTube. And yeah. What I was saying 10 minutes ago to myself was I'm dipping my toes into this 3D stuff in Raylib because the 2D stuff's getting really boring and I don't really have anything else I want to do. There's not really much else I have a passion for that I can actually do. Like I really want to do some application hacking, modifying. I want to use DLLs somehow, but in the past 6 months, I haven't found any way, any tutorial, any method to actually like learn how to do that. So this is the closest thing I can find that I can do. This a passion of mine, not passion, but closest thing to fun, right? So I did a bit of this earlier today at like 2 p.m. just by myself. This is my first ever time touching any sort of 3D API. So this is what I made earlier today. I imported a character from Black Ops 2 Zombies. What's her name again with an M? I literally said it 10 minutes ago. What's her name? Misty, right? But I cannot get her shaders to load in. It's really weird. I also made a custom move around the object script. It wasn't that hard. With the letters A and D, that's all I did earlier today. The maths is really hard though. Like radians, I don't know. I did use a bit of help for that, if you know what I mean. Yeah. Yeah, I think it's nice so far. I mean, I want to do something like a zombies game, but I don't know if that's going to be possible. I just want to do something related to a zombie, zombie themed something. 'Cause that sounds fun. Also, I made the title of this stream weird as hell on purpose to see what would happen. It's just an experiment. All right. So, what do I want to do? Oh, yeah, I want to figure out how to bring in some colors, right? I don't want it all black. I need some shaders. And I also want to make the camera go up and down as well. Oh, I learned there's 3 keywords for camera movement. There's yaw, pitch, and roll. So yaw is left and right. Pitch is up and down, and then roll is obviously roll. So that is basically it. So I also made a GitHub repo for it. Zombozos. That's the name of this, whatever the hell I'm doing is called. And excuse me, what? Okay. My plugins need an update again. I literally updated them 1 hour ago and they need another update. These guys, these open source devs are absolutely cracked. These guys doing spending all their life on this. I respect that. So I wanna yeah. So I currently have the Yo. Oh, is it called Yo? Yeah. So I wanna add pitch. Okay, and let's do. Yeah, this didn't work. Okay, let's add pitch then, which would be with what? I believe it's with the camera.up property. So target state camera.up. I made some variables for the camera.up bit. I did, yeah. Camera.up y. Yeah, that's it. So I'd have to change the maybe y position. So I'll delete that first, see if that makes any difference. It shouldn't. It shouldn't. Yeah, that's all good. So camera.up is vector 3, and then I'm gonna put in. I don't need to do that. No, I don't believe I need to do this. All I just need to do is change the camera up y value with when the W and SD is clicked. So if is key down, key W, we're gonna do camera up, oh my, camera up X, Y, plus. Let's try that. I'll print it because it's classically not doing anything. STCL camera up Y is camera up Y. Okay, so we do need that. I need to actually assign the values each frame. So camera up is vector 3, and then we're gonna do camera up X, camera up Y, camera up Z. Boom. I hope I didn't just mess up a NeoVim config. Okay, that's not doing it. Camera up Y. Camera up Y isn't doing anything. If is key down, key S, camera Y minus. Yeah, it's not doing anything currently. Oh! Okay. So it is doing something. That's not really what we want, mate. It's not really. Plus 0.01. Minus 0.01. Maybe incrementing it by 1 is too much. Oh. I forgot the equal sign, silly Billy. Right. Okay, that's a bunch of bullshit then, mate. So it's simply a 0 or a 1 value. It's either positive or negative. You can't smoothly switch the camera angle, which is weird. Right. Let's try X. I'm not printing the right thing. X is that. Okay. Camera up apparently doesn't make any difference. It could be this line 75. Maybe that's just not correct. What'd I do? Camera dot up dot X is camera up X. What's going on? I suck at NeoVim, that's what's going on. Why is it's because I have caps lock on. Cool. I'm not doing anything. Let's do a bit of research then. How to change the pitch of a 3D Raylib camera. Rad. To turn the pitch of a 3D camera, you can use this function. Let's do that then. Hello, Afnur. What's up? Turn camera. That's not even a function. You absolute bomboclat. How are you doing, Afnur? How's your week? Rad. Okay. No good, no good. I need my cheat sheet. Yeah, Raylib. Yeah, the 2D Raylib stuff got a bit boring, so we're on 3D now. Camera pitch. No, it doesn't exist. Oh. Ooh. Matrix rotate XYZ. Oh gosh. It's pretty cool, but need the camera to do that. What they got here then? Pitch roll, yeah. Pitch. Yeah, that's why I need the pitch. Key down, pitch. So that one. Yeah. You were just gonna mention rotation matrices. Yeah, this. Oh. I can't find the function that it's telling me to write. Turn camera pitch does not exist. Rotation matrices. Don't know what that is, man. Disclaimer, I'm using C#. C# doesn't exist for Raylib. The built-in camera system, no good, okay. Read the entire code from the website. Okay. I need to also include Ray math. What's the problem now? God damn it. God damn it. That's the problem. Raylib is. I only found out today Raylib has language bindings for Python. Madness right there. I would have loved to know that Raylib exists for Python a few years ago when I actually cared about Python. I'm a bit late though. So matrix rotate XYZ. Let's do this one. I love Arch Linux. I love that we can have so many windows. I know Windows and in Mac you can have it, but it's so easy to do it with the keyboard on here compared to the Mac. I still don't know how to do it on Mac. So yeah, we'll have a pitch. Let's make that. Key down. So pitch plus equals 0.6. So let's do that. Pitch 6. And And what's going on? Hello, buddy. I'm currently trying to allow the user to change the pitch for the camera in the 3D, in this 3D awfulness. But yeah, I still haven't found out how to add textures to this character, weirdly enough. Yeah. So, okay, that's done. And then model.transform. Maybe I need to do that. Do camera.transform equals degrade. Yo, does this say the word degrade? Nearly, close enough. Yo, Terra Chad. Are you actually a Chad? Is it possible that there is an actual Chad in my chat? That is such a Chad moment, blood. Alright. Transform matrices. Let me just yeet that one real quick. Yeah, okay, I'll do that before during. Degrees to radians. Cool. I don't know what radians are though. But thanks for clarifying. They didn't teach me that in school yet. So, whoa. Calm down. Why have I got so many errors? Camera.position.trans. Oh, it does. Okay, good. It does have the transform property. What's going on here then? Roll. Okay, I don't have that. Okay, I don't have that. I'll keep that as 0. I'll keep that as 0. And I only have pitch, so this should be good. Why have I still got an error? Sub operand. Let's compile it, see what's going on. Has no member. Yes, it does. Oh, damn. No. Okay. Right. Well, I guess I can just quickly fix this by just applying this transform to the cube. Cube. Where did I even define the cube? I defined the positions here, but where's the actual cube? Oh, I don't have a cube. I've got Misty. Fair enough. I deleted the cube. So let's try this again. There's no camera. Bro. I deleted camera.transform. Okay, it works. Oh! What the hell? Yo. That's mad. Okay, good enough. I want that again. Let's see. Boom. It's so slow. Cool. It's like clockwork. Okay. I need to make her hitboxes bigger though. Well, it's not really a hitbox, it's just a red box. It's just, yeah, draw cube wires. It's not anything big. But let's see. I'll make this 10. Make her hitbox bigger. What do you mean not command not found? Have I got caps lock again? Yeah, I do. That's a fat hitbox, mate. What did I just do? What did I just do? Okay, it's all good. X. That's probably the X. So this is probably the Y. I'll keep it like that then. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to figure out how to draw the shaders on. Okay, no good. I want the grid to be bigger as well, just for my sanity. Yeah, that's better. Okay, so let's figure out how to get the shaders in. So I got, this is how it's supposed to look like, yeah? It's how it's supposed to be. If you're wondering. Got the MTL file and the object file, and all of the textures are here. But it actually says, oh, I need to stop this debug mode. Where is my print statement? There it is. So here's where the problems are. It cannot find textures slash this file. Fails to open. Why? I don't know why. I just realized something. The slashes are different. When I... Ooh. Maybe the object file is made for Windows or something. It's not going. This slash is like forward, and this slash is a backslash. Now that doesn't seem correct. I think I can... Oh, I just gotta fix that. How? Can I directly change the object file? Oh, I can. I absolutely can. I bet this is gonna be a massive file. Can I go to the end? G. Okay. MTL. Let's see. Oh, good. I'm so glad I can actually change the file. Wait, what? What's this? I can't? Please. Oh, I can. This is Vim. Oh, this is so good. I can manually change the file to make it /, but this might take a long time. How big is the file? It's quite a lot. I'm gonna get AI to do it for me. GGVG, use regex. How do I do that? Regular expression. I did regex in Python, but I don't remember any of it. regex vim. Okay, so do substitute. Hello, Willie. Yeah, Arch, your favorite is here. Regex. 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 Replacing text using this for searching. Oh, wait. Okay, let's leave that. Go here. Actually, I will do it this way. MTL, yeah. You're more of a Windows hater than an Arch Glazer at this point. Yeah, you are. You are. So, let's go. I need to find this. Find. How do, what did I just do? Okay. Nix is working great for me. Cool. Did you manage to install Arch back after you deleted it? Like an absolute monkey. I'm joking, you're not a monkey. Yet. How to use regex in NVim. You're really comfortable with Nix programming, so you're going to stick with it. Cool. Stick with it. You're happy with Arch saying deleted? How dare you? You got me to install it and now you're saying that. H. Ah, bro, I'm not doing it. All this, bro. I'm not doing all this. Louding and OS is very mid. What the hell is louding? Lord. That is madness. It means praise. You know, I thought I recognized that word because in Romanian, alauda means to praise. These words are literally the same thing. I was thinking there is no way English has that same word as Romanian. They're too far apart, the language wise. Interesting. That's a new word I got in English. So all right. Change all of the file paths to make it forward slashes instead of backslash. Or is it the other way around? I don't know. Arch is fun. I like it. I really love the window manager. My favorite part of Arch is the Windows manager. That I can just go like this, right? Have so many windows. I've got my second monitor too, like another 4 windows. It's great. I love it. So, what? No, I did not. What are you doing, mate? Oh wait, that's a different thing. My bad. Anyways, so here it is. Now I'll just do boom boom. Wait, boom boom, boom, boom. Delete, paste. That literally didn't do anything. GGVG. Okay, delete, copy that, paste. Okay. Now. Okay, now we'll go. Please. Oh. Just delete that. Delete that. I don't need that anymore. Oh, I just deleted the raylib. It's fine. Okay. That's good. Now let's compile it again. The shaders should work now. Please. Please. Fuck. It's not working, man. What's this? What's the error now? What's the error? Okay. Texture loaded successfully. Whoa, wait, hold up a second. It's working. It's working. It's all successful. Material 1 red. He has made it. Real Vim is a real IDE, you absolute bomboclat. WM Vim, yes, exactly, man. This guy's a real Chad, man. SS low RL. Why is my shit is not working, man? It says here, it finally after like 8 hours, the texture has loaded. I haven't seen this message before. Texture loaded successfully. Is my head? Yeah, my head's in the way. Texture loaded successfully. That's good. The keybinds are great. I'm learning. I'm constantly learning new keybinds and then forgetting them and then relearning them. Yeah, it's not working though. It's not working. Maybe if I compile it again, it will fix it. No, it didn't. It didn't. Oh, is it because I'm literally overwriting it? Because I have 2 for loops. I think I am. Oh, that is so silly. That is so silly. If this is the real problem, that would have been really silly. Okay, let's try this. Nah. Of course it didn't. I mean, this should have colored it red, but it didn't. And this should color it with the textures we've given it. With the textures it has in the file explorer. Okay. My image, my character shaders are still not displaying correctly. You've improved our product. You actually didn't. It sucks. Perplexity AI sucks. If anyone, I don't think anyone is, but if anyone's thinking of getting Perplexity, don't. Sucks. Waste of money. I didn't pay for it. I got it for free, but I'm saying don't pay for it if you have to. Use a different one. So it's loading multiple textures. The code sets all diffuse textures. No, I'm not. Why would I do that? Why would I ever do such a thing? No texture. Why? Why would anyone do that? Okay. No way. It works. I can't believe it. I was sabotaging myself. Unbelievable, bro. It actually works. That is so cool though. Okay, this is my first ever like proper render. Alright, I wanna be able to move the character around fully. So I'm gonna remove ability to move the camera around, and I'll use. Or no, I can keep that. I can keep WASD for the camera and arrow keys for moving the character. So let's do that. Okay. And I'll close this. So we'll do, yeah, this is for the move. Oh, whoever the character is, move the tar. I have an error. It's very rare. Is key down? Oh yeah, slide. Key down. No, let's key up. Key up and then key down. Oh, I'm so happy it works. No, that took forever to load those models. So okay, now I need to make 2 more variables for the yaw and the roll. So float yaw is float roll. And so we'll do if is key down, key up, then we'll do is it roll? Yaw is that. No. Is it? Yeah, yaw is that, pitch is that, and then I don't want it to roll. All right, let's do yaw. Then yaw plus equals f. Okay, and then here we'll do yaw times degrees to radians. Yeah. Oh, what's the problem now? Expand macro. Why would I need to do that? I did both of the code actions and it's still broken. What? Oh, that's because I know. W speed. So somehow this is rolling. You're getting more ads about AI. Unfortunate, mate. Unfortunate. This could turn out to be a shooting game by accident. I don't really get ads about AI. Weirdly enough. Okay. And I needed to roll. So roll times degrees to radians. This is beautiful code, man. If is key down. Key. What should change the roll? K. Okay. Like in GTA or something like that. No, GTA use arrow keys, innit? Roll 0.6 F. If is key down. Is key down. Key and J. Why not? Roll minus equals 0.6 F. Huh? Okay, so let's stay here actually. And we'll do, yeah, we'll go like this. Hey, it works, it works. This is so sketch. Boom, boom. Okay. Okay, we are currently moving on all three axes. It's like a donut. Now I gotta figure out how to move, like, just on the x-axis. To move forward and that. Oh no, that would be sketch. That would be sketch. But how would I though? How would I just move the character forward? Is it position.x, I believe? So I'll remove actually the ability to. No, I won't. No, yeah, I will. I'll remove the ability to move the camera for now. No, now we've got enough letters on the keyboard. It's fine. I'll just use different letters. We got enough. Yeah, okay, do this. So if is key down, we'll do space sigma misty dot position dot x plus equals plus. Got an error. No. Maybe is it transform? Is it like Unity? We got transform dot x. No? So let's see what is the struct for matrix. Raylib matrix struct. It's not going to show the structs. Float, float, float. By the way, do you guys want music in the background? So a lot of people said they don't like some music. Some people say they do. Okay, this isn't going to help. That's not going to do anything. Let's... What kind of music do you want? Draw. Oh. Yes, it's the draw function. You want lo-fi? Actually, wait. I'm gonna make a poll. Because some people are probably nervous to type. No music. Okay, this mic's gonna break. Cool. Might have already broken. Anyways, what's this? What's going on? Guys, vote in the poll. I'm gonna see who wins. I'm not allowed to vote. So here it is. When we draw the model, so this is X, Y, Z. I'll have to make XY. Yeah, I need an XY coordinate. XY for everything. So miss the characters. So we're gonna have pose float. Let's what? What's the problem? Here we'll do miss the pause y plus plus. I will. Okay. I'm not gonna do jumping. That is a bit complicated for now. So we'll just do the x-axis. Pause x, and then we'll go here. Miss the pause x. Okay. Moment of truth. What's the button? Space. Whoa. Where's she gone? What? Okay, that's a bit too much. Plus equals 0. Maybe that would be better. Mad. Yeah. Should Try something like key pressed. For the spacebar. For the jumping, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that would work. But I'd have to make a variable to like check the state of if it's touching the ground and stuff. I don't want to do that right now. I want to just do simple movement. And I do not need this cube stuff. I'm going to delete it. The target should be wherever the hell Misty is bled. Looking at Misty pause X, Misty pause Y, Misty pause Z. So let's see, does this actually move the camera? No, it doesn't. Why do I think anything works? No. Camera.target. Oh, I need to I need to do it again. Okay. You should do it every single frame. Like a good boy. Boom. No, of course it doesn't work. Okay. Why would it work? Target up. Rotation towards target. Position. Maybe. No. Who voted for drum and bass? I'd love drum and bass, but I don't want to overstimulate myself right before going to bed. You was done. Okay. Epic. You know what, Will? That's probably one of the best things you ever voted for in your life. Okay. How would I make the camera? It doesn't matter. I'll figure it out later how to make the camera move towards the player. Right. Yo, I just realized we can assign multiple keys to doing anything. So I can make it move the camera and the player at the same time. Yo. I'm so smart. Oh gosh. If is key down, key D. Oh, I've got an error. Okay. Okay. I can't move the camera. No. Yeah, because this orbit to orbit angle stuff, I actually messed up earlier. I had some help with AI, but it didn't. I couldn't figure out how to move the camera. Or is it just position? Yeah. Okay. Uh, And then we got camera dot position dot x plus plus. I might need to reassign the camera position every single frame. That'll be kind of bad. Doesn't even work. Right. Camera pause X. Let's increase camera pause X then. Camera pause X plus plus. Currently, we can't go left or right. It's like a ballerina standing on a piece of string, dancing on it. Whoa, I meant to say. Anyways. Right, this hitbox is still cooked. This hitbox, it needs to be above the grid. Yo, I'm gonna release this game on Steam for £100. Gonna get so rich. I'm not making a real game, by the way, if anyone's wondering. I'm just doing this for fun. To see what the hell's going on. Okay. Now I just need to move the camera. How? So I tried reassigning the camera position to the new camera value. I tried position at X plus plus. I tried manually moving the camera's X position, then didn't work. How to move the camera in Relib. Final option. Update. Camera position is player position Mibus some oddfet. Update. Minus some offset. Yeah, that would work as well. I'm just a bit too lazy to do that. This is a camera method. Vector 3 position. Actually, no, your method might be quicker. It might be. I'll do the offset in a second. I just want to see if this even works. No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. Well, maybe I just need the update function. Camera.update. Okay. Update camera. Need a reference to camera. Okay. So camera and camera perspective. Yo, that did nothing. Camera's just not moving at all, is it? Orbit angle. Orbit. Oh, maybe I need to camera height. Maybe I need to use that. No, that's just the height. Orbit radius. Do I change the orbit radius? Maybe it's because of this. I might have completely cooked myself. Oh, I think I just yeah. Okay, something is working, something isn't. Whoa! Why have we got some feet pics right now, bro? What's going on? I see them toes, cuz. Nah, I'm joking. But yeah. The S key does nothing still. Why is it white? We don't want it to be white. Oh yeah, okay, there it is. This is the offset that you were talking about. So let's do that. Minus 10 or plus 10. Okay. It didn't take that much trial and error. We found it already. So do minus. And then this is plus 10. And this is minus 10. We actually made a camera that moves with the player. Insanity. But now the camera doesn't move. Okay. Maybe that's the problem. No. was X. Misty pause. Okay, and so why isn't the camera moving? I'm curious, did the update camera function even do anything? No, but it didn't. Update camera did absolutely nothing. I don't need that function. Okay, now I just want to be able to turn around. Don't know what this cosine stuff is. I didn't get a high enough grade in maths to know what that is, man. I forgot it. Okay, see, what am I even doing? Dun, dun. Okay, I need to move the camera. That's what's going on. So on the top left, the angle is actually moving when I press A and D, but the camera isn't changing to that. And that might be due to... I deleted a bunch of stuff. No, I didn't. Orbit angle. Orbit angle. Oh, it's because I deleted this. Oof. Oof. Let's see. If I do a plus equals, would that help instead of just equals? Yo. I did something. It wasn't useful, but it did something. Epic. Still can't move around. I mean, I mean, it's turning around something. Yeah. So it's not going to the other side of the screen. It's staying in this box. There's like 4 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's not leaving the borders of this box. It's exactly like how those curves look in maths, on those maths graphs. Like that. That's exactly what's going on here. So maybe the cosine and the sin thing is actually not helping. Whoa, I didn't mean to do that. Comment says compute around cube. Yeah, wait, where? Compute. Oh yeah, because a few hours ago I had a cube, but then I changed it to be this character like an hour ago, and I just forgot to update the comments. But yeah, because it was a cube originally, and yeah, just like this, but don't need that. Yeah. Cube position. Can I do? Do I have Misty position? Does that exist? No, it doesn't. No. I want the hitbox to go with the thingy. You know what I mean? Okay. Okay. Right. What's all of this? Right. Matrix. So we'll do a vector 3 transformation for Misty pose X, Misty pose Y, and Misty pose Z. Hey, it moves with. That was pretty quick. Okay. It moves around the character now. I need it to be higher though. What can I make? I think it's got to do with the grid wires. So I'll do like plus. I'll do on the y-axis. Get out of here. Plus 20. See if that works. It definitely did. Hey. Right, let's do 2. Man, we got the hitbox right there, Kaz. Hitbox. Her arm is right outside the corner, so right outside the box, so the zombies will not be able to touch her hands. The zombies will be true gentlemen, I'll tell you that. They're not gonna be. Ain't gonna be no hand slapping around here. So yeah. Cool. Yeah. I'm basically done for now. I'm getting hungry, so I want to eat my dinner. You know what I mean? I'm gonna end the stream there. Because it's been an hour. So thank you everyone for watching. I appreciate you all coming by. Everyone there. Yeah. If you want to see this game on Steam, make sure you hit the dislike button so I can tell. Yeah. Thanks everyone for watching. See you next time.